wait. And I don't want any NG to do negotiation. That's
May
it.
I know the reason, please?
And I don't like any kind of NG, and you guys are not doing a, like
So
proper
that,
negotiation. That's it.
okay. So that means you will not like do negotiation with us.
No. I'm doing. I said I don't want NG. It's a lower
Yoga,
postage in
leave
this
it. Come
organization.
back.
No, no,
Wait,
We
no.
wait,
need
Yatharth.
money. We
Wait,
don't
wait,
need
What
wait.
anything else.
anybody? Yeah, do you just want money? You don't fucking care about who is doing the
I
negotiation,
just
bro.
care about the
Yeah, dumb fuck.
negotiator. Okay.
Okay.
Yoga, leave it.
Just
No, bro. I will only
tell
negotiate.
FIB to do negotiation.
No. It's not like
Yoga.
that.
Okay. I'm going to cut the
Stop.
finger
Assassin
of
come,
hostage.
assassin come
Wait,
back, assassin.
wait.
Can't go there.
I'm going
Oh,
to cut the
wait.
finger of hostage. Wait.
Bro, is that a fucking demand?
Can I? I'm asking you last time. You just go, or I will really shoot
Is
the
that
finger
a
of
fucking
hostage.
demand or what?
No,
Hey,
it's not
officer,
my
why you
demand.
pointing
It's
in?
the warning to you.
No,
Just
I will not take that warning. Okay.
Okay.
Son,
Okay.
go
Then
back,
I'm
go
going
back
to
near
cut
to the
finger of
barricades,
hostage,
okay?
But
Are you?
but if you're cutting the finger,
Listen. Are you ready? Okay. I'm going to cut the finger of hostage. Okay.
You can
Okay.
only
Wait,
do
wait,
that for
wait, wait,
demands and
wait.
not
Wait,
warning.
wait,
Okay?
wait, wait. NG, let FIB handle the situation.
Mr. Elo, listen, Mr. Alon Devil, you just
okay,
do
alone, bro. You
negotiation.
fucking do it, bro. Okay.
Yeah, good.
Bro,
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead. Yatharth, go ahead.
Okay. Who is the main negotiator? Arnold. Show me your pass. Show me your ID. Oh, sorry.
here, my ID.
Okay, sir. I am just posting.
Kumar
I'm just
pakadiye.
giving you my passport. Check it.
Good copy.
I don't just remove my mask. How did you understand that?
Yeah, okay, I will take care. Bro, Hamza
Okay.
is feeling bad, bro. What you did, bro? He's crying, bro.
Yeah,
Bro, no
he is
worry.
crying at the corner, bro.
If you need water, I can give him.
Okay, can I see the proof? Like, can I see the proof of life?
Okay. Arushi, go and beg the first hostage. Oh my
And
god, you
how
are
many
from our
hostages
side?
we have?
You are from our side?
Assassin, come back. Bro, how
Hey,
many
guys,
hostages do
can
you have?
can you say your unit to
Mr.
just go
Alon.
back?
Mr. Alon.
Yeah.
Alon, is Hamza is crying or not?
Bro, he's good person,
I don't
bro.
want here. Just 3v3, okay?
Bro, let him
No, just
negotiate, bro.
ask only one FIB unit, one SHP and one
Listen,
from
Mr.
NSP.
Hamza, come here. Listen.
Alone?
Yeah, what happened?
Yeah. Yeah, they are asking like many units are here. Can you ask your FIBs?
Bro,
Units to
I
go
have
back in the
so
backside
much
the barricade.
experience of negotiation, but I'm not like
Wait,
another
one
NG, bro.
second. Hello. Ayushi?
Don't
Traitor?
touch me.
Ayushi,
Bro,
traitor?
let me negotiate. Let me negotiate.
Bro. Okay, hello. Can I have your ID, Mr. Leo?
Hey, hello, he's now giving me permission to negotiate.
Hey, I'm
What the fuck?
Assistant Chief of Police. Okay, Mr. Arthur, did you become a hostage? Bro, may I know the
Hey,
reason
guys,
why
don't
LSPD
push.
is taking us hostage, bro? They are inside city and how they even go?
No, listen, alone. Actually, I think so. We were going from DMC and there is a heavy gang activity there. Yeah.
Units
that's
at the
Okay, Mr.
hostage
Arthur.
situation, how copy?
Good
No,
copy,
I'm
go
saying
ahead.
him, like, he's saying
Did they hurt you? Did they steal your cash or something? Did
10-5.
they rob you? Good Arthur, copy, go ahead. Did they give you any
Please
food
praise
or
the Lord.
something? Did they rob you? Assassin, go that side. Give us some space, mister. Did they rob you? Okay. Did they steal your
Stole any
cash?
cash from?
Did they? How much did they steal your cash? What?
They didn't steal my
I'm
case.
saying no cash, I guess.
Okay. So did they rob you?
Yeah, they took my work weapons.
Okay. Take him. Did they give you any food or anything?
Yeah.
Okay.
give me
What
two
did they
times
give you?
medical pension.
Bro, okay, take him, man. Take him.
Make a choice necessary.
Okay. Unknown devil. You need second hostage?
Yep. Yes.
Okay, Arushi, bring second one.
Assassin, come
Okay,
back,
Yogesh,
bro.
Yogesh, Yogesh.
Assassin, come back. Go down, go down.
Assassin,
Go down,
just
go
leave
down.
your org and just come here. We will hire you.
Bro, he's
You
from our side
take
or
second
their side,
hostage.
bro?
He is just
Bro,
switching
he's
the
doing
sides.
this, bro.
Fucking issue must like, bro.
Stupid guy. Going
Oh my
ready,
god, he's also the shit.
sir. Oh,
Okay, yeah.
Mr. Lee, can I have your ID?
Show me
hostage
1070 to latest
situation.
global with one edition and you want.
ID, please. Damn. Babita Gokuldam. Nice. Okay, Mr. Goku. Did they rob you? Did they steal your cash or something?
Yes, they tried to, but not happen.
They tried.
Yes.
Self-reporting, bro.
Good copy.
What do you mean? But they tried and it not happened.
Yeah, I'm with Arun.
Okay, did they
Bro,
provided you
assassin, go
food?
back, bro. I will
Assassin.
not repeat myself.
Did they provided you food and water?
Okay, Mr. Goku.
Yeah, I'm with
Like,
Arun.
how much money you lost, bro? You got lost for how much money?
I didn't notice,
10
sir,
to.
so I was not noticing.
They
my
steal
money.
any?
They are
steal
negotiating
any
right
weapons
now,
from
so
you?
I can't.
Yes, they stole my balaclava and vest.
Okay.
Central Police
So,
vest.
did they harass you or something?
Yes, the driver. When they took me hostage, the driver was driving too fast.
You want EMS? Like medical anything? EMS or something?
Yes, I asked them for EMS, but they didn't call them.
Okay, wait, let me do. Bro, okay, do you want EMS right now?
Yes, the car was rammed so
Bro.
badly.
Yeah, bro, I am telling that only. Do you want EMS or not?
Yes, I need.
Yeah, okay, wait. You want a medical assistant or you want me to call a doctor?
Call doctor, sir. I think my leg is fractured.
Yeah, wait, let me. Bro, I will check your leg, bro. I must be experienced extra doctor. Babita, I'm feeling sad for you.
Bro, it will pain
wait,
me.
wait,
No,
wait,
no,
wait,
no,
let me
sir.
press
No,
his
no,
leg.
no, no.
Wait,
It will
wait,
pain
wait.
me.
Okay, I press. Okay, call EMS, don't worry. Hey, is Nathan here? Mr. Alan
Nathan
That
is
Davis.
son is
sleeping,
there.
bro.
See the wings.
Just call him here.
My cutie bacha is here.
Hello, Mr. Nathan sir, Nathan sir. Nathan. Bro.
No, he pressed my legs. I was shouting as hell. Can't hear?
I made a second department. Wait.
Yeah, listen, just tell me, Mr. Alan Devil. Will you live peacefully or will you take fight?
I don't know. I will leave
Yeah.
peacefully, but
Because
I am not
no
a good
need,
shooter.
No need. We will also fight. Don't worry.
Yeah,
Our 10 members are coming. Okay, guys. Okay. Yeah. I will tell you that just come. Okay. I will tell in radio. Just come. Then just come.
Bro, this coffee is very hot.
Guys, I don't want any other gang
Bro, I
members
think
should
EMS
come
is
again
not,
to the
you know,
garage.
replying, bro.
Just
They
fight
go
with
to
them.
hospital.
Just cover
Yeah,
the
yeah.
areas, okay? They should not enter again.
Lol. Bro, what are you doing, bro? Babita standing on the drone.
Oh, bro, don't shoot me.
SWAT. No, it is. It is
Hey,
raiders, bro, not
What the
raiders.
fuck is this, bro? What the fuck is this?
Alon, give me some food. Alon, give me some.
Ah,
Is EMS responding on?
EMS, no.
Hey, anybody have food? Hey, Nathan, you
we
have
should
food?
process. We
You can
should
put some
continue
food.
RP.
1017 to latest global with 0 additional 0 complete.
Okay.
Assassin, go back, bro. Go back.
Bro, Nathan, give me food.
Listen, show me your ID.
Thank you.
Show me your ID.
Nathan, why am I turfing here, turfing?
Assassin, there are already
Assassin,
enough
Assassin,
agents to
local.
like negotiate. Could you please go back?
Bro, EMS is not replying. Nathan,
Hey, Babita, you want some entertainment? Hey, Babita, you want some
okay.
entertainment?
Oh, I see.
if possible, can we take the hostage and go to hospital and
I-
blah blah blah.
We can do one thing like that. Alon, just send one of your unit to hospital. He will come with the EMS.
Just take it.
Bet.
Take it, Babita.
Bro, what the fuck they are
Babita,
doing?
take
Sir,
it.
my
They are
leg is
not replying in the
fractured.
department.
Wait, bro, wait.
So
Don't
EMS is
cry.
not coming. We need to
Bro,
Coming,
can
coming,
someone
sir,
go
coming.
to EMS and call any
Coming,
doctor and come
coming.
to
Ask
hospital?
ask them. EMS coming.
Yeah, okay. Baby, don't worry, bro. EMS will come.
Okay, sir. Can you go take me on the picture? I cannot walk.
Bro, this guy is.
Lol.
Damn. Living in. Living in.
Lol.
I feel bad for
Don't
him.
kidnap him.
I feel bad for the hostage.
This why everyone
Can't
is
even-
still.
He can't even stand up like as usual. You guys broke his legs.
Alon, where is
Driver
Thakkedi?
was so bad.
Alon, where is Thakkedi?
Devil, just wear gang clothes fast.
Thakkedi is sleeping.
Devil, wear gang clothes fast.
Where is the chief, bro? Chief of.
Chief of EMS.
Yeah, wait. Let me call
COE,
the-
COE. Let me also call him. Wait, I will call.
Yeah, call him.
Bro, that guy is not picking up his call.
Bro, call is out of coverage area.
Bro, I just called him right now. I think, the phone is not in charge.
Oi, where are you? You noob? Bro, he cut it.
Who?
No one. I just.
Let me try to call deputy first.
Hello, Mr. Call.
EMS deputy. Yeah, Tony uncle are
Bro,
very
he's
busy.
calling
I
me
think
back.
so.
Wait,
He is
wait,
just
he's calling me back. He's calling me back.
okay.
Hello sir, how are you?
Just say Tony to
While
come
on
fast.
duty.
Don't
What
play
the
with
fuck
Monkey
is
Mom.
this? Mr. Alon Davis, he is using his phone while on duty.
He is just busy to playing with
David,
Monkey Mom.
don't go.
Hey, bro,
Devil, are you
hey,
dumb
bro,
motherfucker?
You don't have fear of her. We can arrest you, bro.
Oi, oi.
Let's go.
What a drone can affect you guys.
Huh?
Hey, sorry, bro. Sorry. My mistake.
What?
Guys, stop flying the drones, guys.
So I just dialed the random number and he now calling me back.
Yeah.
Wait, bro. Why so many people here, bro? You tell someone to go back, bro.
Hey, bro.
Yeah,
Babita,
Janak,
just
Devil.
listen.
Bro, go back, bro.
Babita,
Someone.
listen. It will
Krishna,
like.
go back to the barricades.
It will hurt you more.
my
Just
God,
you know,
heart
let's do
attack,
the
heart attack.
negotiation. You just
Krishna,
take it to hospital.
go back to barricades.
Call ambulance, but
Nathan,
not
it is
for
not EMS.
gangsters.
Alone we can do that, bro.
Doctor, ah, shit.
Wait,
Bro, doctor is
everyone,
not available.
everyone, give me some distance.
Bro, take the drone back. Stupid. Take the drone back. I am getting irritated. Take the drone back.
Listen, Mr. Alon Devil. Listen, Mr. Alon Devil. Wait,
Ah.
wait, Adyata, wait.
Rest in peace.
Alon Devil, Mr. Alon
Ah.
Devil. There is.
Not
Yeah,
again.
yeah.
Not
So the
again.
thing is, I know some process of how to fix fracture. You know, can I do that? Just
Or
give me
else,
the-
wait, bro.
Give me first aid kit.
Wait.
I will
Hey,
do
bro,
it.
We'll
listen,
do the
Alon, I also
negotiation and
know,
we'll
bro.
take him in.
Alon,
check.
I also know, bro. If you want, I can also do it. I also know
Okay,
how
if there
to-
is no
Adi.
listen. If there is no doctor, then I'm giving him permission to sit there, and then you can we will just bring him.
5,
between,
6,
my
7, 8, 9,
shoulder,
10.
and you guys can. Okay.
Alon, listen, Alon. We can do one. Alon, we can do one thing
Wait.
like just we will take him
Wait,
after
bro,
negotiation directly to the
why you
hospital.
telling about
Yeah,
money
yeah.
every time? Just
We
wait.
just negotiated fast, okay? So he did not get
Yeah,
hurt too
okay.
much.
Bro, just you give me like 3 minutes. I'll come with the money, okay?
Yeah, sure. Just go.
Oh, finally EMS replied.
Oh my god. They finally
God,
took me
finally.
personally.
Wait.
Hamza, do the department, bro.
Yeah, yeah.
member.
Okay, guys.
I'm dropping the thing.
Listen, hey, Alon Devil,
Sorry,
and
sorry.
just listen. Just tell your units to remove
Officer,
your drones.
don't
Otherwise,
fly drone.
I really will broke his leg properly. Okay,
Hamza, do.
Alon Devil.
Okay.
Yeah, done, bro. Bro.
Done? Yeah, done.
for hostage situation, need max
What the fuck is going on?
Need max unit at local.
Drop me.
You're laughing too.
Hey, broken leg. Sit down, bro. Why are you walking?
Hey, bro, you will get
He is lying up.
Magic.
Yeah, bring that. Just do that thing also. We can do that.
He died. His food poisoning and died.
everyone. Response to local. It's for hostage situation.
Bro, I dropped the ball. Wait. Bro, EMS is sleeping, bro. Literally sleeping.
రెడ్ ఉండే వాళ్ళందరా చంపు ఒకసారి వేరే గేమ్ ఆడుకో ఆ కార్ వేసుకో
Let me call Tony uncle.
ఎక్కితే
FIT.
Yeah.
Sir,
Bro, area of
భయం ఎందుకు
హాస్టేజ్ గా నన్ను తీసుకుంటారు
out of coverage.
వెళ్ళి ఒకసారి
So finally they are coming. Yeah, finally they are
Game
coming.
low.
Oh,
Bro,
nice.
EMS also have units. Lol. Finally they are coming.
నేనేం చేస్తున్నారా
Wait, bro. Wait. I don't have money actually. I don't have money. I
Okay,
have
listen.
only
Hey
like-
guys,
okay.
listen. Just tell your demands. We like just.
మ్యాప్ రెడ్యూస్ లెట్స్
Yeah.
Just
Okay.
tell me. Alone devil.
We'll pay
Alone.
380k. We will leave peacefully. No tent and nothing.
No. We want to fight, but we won't
397K.
tell you just live peacefully. We are not.
We're low on unit, Nathan.
Nah, no need. We're not living
Hey,
peacefully.
listen, Mr. Alone Devil.
Okay,
Alone
Nathan.
Devil. Come here.
I'm taking
saying
over the
that,
negotiation.
400k, okay?
కార్ వేసుకుని
It's only 10 members.
So what are your demands?
What? Yes, sir.
Yeah, our demands is 200k each.
That is, what are your demands again?
Yeah, 200k each. 400k for 2 Leos, okay?
respond to the latest global essay.
No, leave peacefully. I'm sorry to inform you that.
Arey, okay na.
Okay.
We are also not.
Ayush.
Alright.
Ayushi. Bro, if you get arrested, bro.
You betrayed news.
ఏం రా
FIP, bro.
Nathan, you have the money. Nathan, you have money.
Okay.
I-
Okay, our 8
Wait,
units
I
just
have
stay down.
it.
Give me
down,
money in my
stay
back.
down.
Okay.
Our 8
Who wants the
units.
money?
1-2 year work, bro.
Who wants the money? Hello.
Yeah.
Okay, bye bye guys.
Okay, yeah, sir. I'm giving you the money.
Our 8
In your
units
back
just
pocket.
stay down, okay? Then I will call you. Just
Yeah, give
come
me
out
money in
and
my back
talk to you,
pocket.
okay? Yeah,
Who's
just
paying
come
the
from
money?
side, okay? Yeah.
Now we have second Leo, na? We have second Leo.
Yeah, just pass the first one Leo, then
Benefit
we will
being
take the
lethal.
second Leo after EMS, okay?
Yeah.
I gave you the money.
10 units.
Okay,
10
we are
units, just
just
go down.
taking second
stay,
hostage, okay?
Stay down, okay? I
Just
will
call
tell you,
EMS
just come
after
up and
that.
just walk you.
Just
From
say
there
them
you
to
take
get
walk
in
to
your
way.
vehicle. Okay.
Yeah.
Just take the vehicle at the upside. Just bring. Okay,
Hey,
he will
bring the
just get in
vehicle.
the
Hey,
vehicle.
alone,
ఇక్కడ ఏం
Oh.
Okay, Yog, bring the second hostage.
ఏం లేదు
Leave that guy.
Yeah.
Where is that guy?
He just ran downside.
Okay.
Bro, where is the hostage, bro? You cannot leave the hostage
Bro,
here.
where is the EMS, bro?
Yeah, we are calling second hostage.
Yeah, do it fast.
Yog, take the. Oh, what the fuck? Don't shoot. No one will shoot.
I got hit by my
No,
bullet.
this one, bro. That one, na. Arthur one.
Give me money in my back pocket for this Leo.
Adi, stop shooting. EMS. Don't give, Hamza, don't
Yeah, I am not giving. Wait,
Where is
wait.
the
First,
EMS?
wait. They give the first hostage to Arthur.
Sir, their guy
We
shooted
did not
me
get Arthur, bro. We did
on
not
my
get
shoulder.
Bro, just Arthur run away at the downside.
Yeah, listen, just call him.
Guys, we don't have Arthur. We just release him.
Bro, where?
Just take
bro,
that
where is
Leo
fucking ETN now?
and just-
EMS is so late.
Hamza. Take the Babita and go to hospital. Okay, after that, give me money. Just take the Babita, okay?
No, but EMS is coming, bro. EMS is just on the way.
Bro,
Just let
EMS
them come, let them come.
they are taking
Yes,
so
sir,
much time.
Yes, sir, let them come, bro. What are you
What
doing?
should we do alone?
Let them come.
Okay. No one will shoot.
Yeah,
Okay. Listen. I will kill the hostage. Okay, tell your units to do not shoot. They are coming from left side.
LSPD, all of you go down. LSPD, no one is going to come up. No one is going to come up.
Bro, your guys
Don't
are
shoot.
shooting.
Don't shoot.
Okay, let's put it. Come down.
LSPD, don't shoot and go down.
Just tell. I'm giving you. Listen.
Nobody will shoot. Stop shooting.
Nobody will shoot LSPD. Nobody is going to shoot. Just stay backside of the barricades.
Bro, you are sitting in air, bro.
LSPD, don't. Okay. They are shooting from downside.
Girls, just come near the barricades. Do not shoot.
That's why every gym master are saying do leg day, bro. You are from LSPD, don't you?
Bro, where the fuck is EMS, bro? Yeah, I asked.
Bro, shooting, bro.
Alone, bro, give a video call.
Bro, our units are not.
Hey,
Need
nobody
local
will
is
shoot
for
from our
hostage
side, nobody will
situation. Need max unit at local.
Nobody is shooting outside. These guys are shooting themselves.
Bro, I just asked the ETA, but they are not replying again and again. Yeah. You know, or we all will go on vacation.
We are 10:17 now. Oh my.
Bro, they are 10:17 now. What the fuck?
Everyone come back side of the barricade. Come back side of the barricade.
Ask ETA how many minutes?
Guys, everyone come back side of the barricades.
Bro, I want to sleep, bro. Now I'm getting tired of this thing. Hey, Yathar, what is
Bro,
the
now
bonus
they are
system?
picking up my call.
Hey, no one.
Hey, Yathar, what is your bonus system?
Sorry, wrong side. Sorry.
Yathar, what is your bonus system?
Bro, now they are coming. Now they are coming. They are near.
Leave any.
Lol, bro, now EMS is coming. What the fuck?
Guys, switch the location, guys. We cannot negotiate over here. They're taking shots from everywhere.
Yeah. Listen, Yathar, listen.
No. We are getting
Let's
shots from everywhere. We cannot negotiate.
We have to negotiate in the peacefully.
Yeah, we cannot. This hostage will get injured if you not.
We have second hostage here. No one will shoot.
No man time. See, we are not going to live peacefully, but you have to switch location as we are getting shots from everywhere. Hostage like
Sorry,
to
we
get injured.
can't. We are in the middle of the situation, okay?
We are getting shots from
Yeah,
everywhere.
we are in the middle of the situation, guys. We
Bro,
can't.
listen, if you will cut kill, bro, whom you will negotiate?
Bro, he
guys?
will die. He will die. Situation is very worst. He will die.
Wait. I'm checking everything.
Let's go to the farm location.
Guys,
bro. It is
guys.
very safe there.
EMS was here, and the gang members just gave him demand to go away, and EMS went away.
Okay, easy.
Why your members giving demand to EMS to go away?
Yeah,
give demand to
You should put your guns even inside, bro. You cannot even give demands to EMS. Mr. Yathar.
Why your members giving demand in downside? Check that.
Yeah, you cannot do it.
To a department until the EMS come back. Because EMS went away now.
Bro, we are. Babita, you are sleeping. You just leave him. Babita, run.
Yeah,
Okay, just take him again.
I'm going to take you.
You are awake now. I think so we need to.
Hey guys, listen, Yathar. Let's go to the farm location. It's very safe there. Farm one. We can go to that if you want.
Where?
Beach market. Okay, Vampika, just drop a
Okay.
global, okay?
Okay.
Okay, guys. Never, guys, get in the car. We'll change the location.
Everyone, just leave this area ASAP. LSPD, just leave this area ASAP. We are changing the location, so leave this area. Alone, we'll take this guy and we'll ask for.
Patch my Nathan. Patch him. Patch Nathan. Cuff everyone. Rescue cuffs. Cuff everyone.
Alone. They are changing the location to beach market.
Okay, I'm gonna cuff you.
For all. Bro, what the fuck?
Cuff everyone.
Okay, I'm gonna cuff you.
EMS, listen.
Okay, I'm gonna cuff you.
I'm patching up now.
EMS, come with me, bro. We are changing the location.
Okay, I'm going to.
EMS, come, bro. My Nathan.
Where is Nathan?
EMS, come.
What is this?
EMS, come, bro. EMS, come.
Okay, sir, I'll
You can't say Sindra.
I got so many guns, bro.
ఇప్పుడే కదరా సంపేయలేదని నాకు
Patch him.
వాళ్ళ ఎవరు హోస్టేజెస్
Okay, I'm putting in the car. Please watch.
They are going there. Move to the beach market area, guys. Everybody.
ఎక్కి కూర్చో
Wait, yeah.
Hello.
Just wait.
If I see you again, bro, I should really am
Bunny, patch him, Bunny. That's the guy I'm patching.
Okay, I'm gonna patch you. You'll be alright.
Take the ship. I will fix him.
Nathan, you are, bro. Nathan, you are.
There you go. I'm gonna drag you by my arms.
Nathan, somebody is shooting me, Nathan.
Vivek, come back, Vivek. Okay, please watch your head. I'm putting you in the vehicle. Guys, just process him, okay? Yeah. Along there is one. Go.
I'm gonna patch you up. Everything will be alright.
Patch. Bunny, patch.
We need to like do a alternative. I don't have.
Judo.
But I don't have anything like.
Nathan.
Good guys.
హడూప్ ఇదిగోరా హెచ్డిఎఫ్ అదే హెచ్డిఎఫ్ఎస్ మ్యాప్ రేట్ చూసుకొని హడూప్లో నేను ఇచ్చేది మళ్ళీ ఇదేంటి నేమ్ నోడు డేటా నోడు
Leave.
Market.
Wait.
Hey,
Bunny.
Oh, you guys are going. Wait. Let me come.
Yeah, okay. Come with the
There are no cars.
Should we? Can we get in the trunk? I don't think
wait,
so.
we'll shoot them.
Get in. Bunny, get in.
You can leave me.
Bunny, get in.
Ah.
Get in fast. You don't have enough time. They're shooting.
Yeah, go.
ఇదిగో చూడరా
Hey, leave me here. Make space for your people.
Hey.
You have right to remain silent. Anything you say will be used against you in the court of law. You have right to afford an attorney. If you can't afford one will be appointed to you by the state if available. Do you understand the rights suggested for you?
Book.
Wanna read the Miranda rights for the second time? You have right to remain silent. Anything you say will be used against you in the court of law. If you want an attorney, if you can't afford an attorney, one will be appointed to you by the state if available. Do you understand the rights suggested for you? You have right to remain silent. Anything you say will be used against you in the court of law. If you can't afford an attorney, one will be appointed to you by the state if available. Do you understand the rights suggested for you?
Arey, keep quiet, officer. Why are you talking so much?
Okay, I'm gonna take your silence as is. Your charges are attempt murder on a Leo. So those are your charges. If you have any illegal items, and the charges will be added to you in the DOC.
Show me 1017 to DOC with 21015 and proclamation 0 conflict.
ఇప్పుడు ఈ హడూప్ దాంట్లో ఇదిగో ఈ రెండు రాయాలా హెచ్డిఎఫ్ఎస్ దాని గురించి కూడా రాయాలా మ్యాప్ రెడ్ చూసుకొని రాయాలా మళ్ళీ అవసరం లేదా మళ్ళీ ఈ ఆన్ కొని
ఆఫీసర్
ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ హడూప్ ఆర్కిటెక్చర్ అనుకుంటే
Yes, we can hear you.
I can.
వదిలేస్తేనా ఎవరు దొంగోడా ఎంత 1 million
How much time do you think I will go in for?
ఇప్పుడు వాళ్ళందరినీ పోలీస్ స్టేషన్ దింపబోతున్నారు
Sir, I think I have read Miranda rights for you. Just be quiet. You have right to remain silent.
I don't want to keep
silent. What?
Help me!
అవును వాడికి కోడ్ తినిపిదా వాడు మాట్లాడేది అట్లయితే మరి వాడు ఒప్పుకోవచ్చు కదా ఆఫ్ చేసుకుంటాడు
వాడు లేకుండా అంటే పక్కా తెంగేసుకుంటాడు
డబ్బులు ఎట్లా ఇస్తాడు
కదా నా పై నన్ను చూపించి గో ఫాస్ట్ క్రిమినల్
వాళ్ళు ఎవరు
Sir, I want to change my name, sir. Sir.
Oh my God. I'm kidding that.
ఎట్లా చంపారు ఇప్పుడు అంబులెన్స్ వస్తుంది ఒక చచ్చిపోతే
హాస్పిటల్
మళ్ళీ ఫస్ట్ నుంచే వచ్చారా
Okay, I'm going to patching up. It'll be alright, don't worry. Fixing our bone, fixing our muscle, checking heartbeat as well. Right, don't worry. We're fine.
ఎవరు కాల్ చేయడానికి
Wait, let me place another
Put a barricade, another barricade over there, okay? So I can process the 1015.
Arey.
Yeah, you move.
Bunny.
Hey officer, let me tell you something.
I'm putting you out from the vehicle. Please watch your head.
Please watch your head. I'm putting you out from the vehicle.
Okay, I'm checking my arm.
So please watch your head. Okay, I'm gonna. Hey, don't move.
Yeah. I want to change my name, bro. I want to change
I'm gonna drag you by my arms.
Here.
I'm gonna drag you by my arms.
in DOC, bro.
Okay.
Yes, sir, please move out. Please move out from the OC right now.
Move. Sir. Sir,
డబ్బులు
sir.
తెంగేస్తావా
Police sir, police sir.
నీ బతు
Tell me your jumpsuit, sir. Do not try to escape, or otherwise another charge will get
He
you.
can automatically come. Just go.
What's your jumpsuit size? Tell me your jumpsuit size.
I don't know, officer.
Okay, I'm
First
giving
time
a
here.
precise.
Okay,
First
I'm
time
gonna
here.
undrag you.
Huh?
Can you tell me your jumpsuit size fast?
Uh,
What?
I want to try everything.
Jumpsuit size.
Next time I will.
May I know your
try.
jumpsuit
Okay,
size?
I'm checking by ma'am now.
I don't even know, bro. I'm new to the game. This is my first time here. I don't know anything. They told me to park my car there and I go. And you guys jumped us.
10-5. If you are not audible.
Hey, don't move, wait. Come here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm gonna drag you by my arms. I have taken a freeze jumpsuit size for you.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Officer?
Okay, I'm gonna undrag you by my arms. I'm gonna place your jumpsuit on the bed.
I can't hear you, bro.
Okay, I have placed your jumpsuit on the bed. Okay, I'm gonna give you 5 seconds. You have to remove your mask and you have to show me your passport, okay?
What?
You have to remove your mask and show me your passport.
I can't hear you.
You have to remove your mask and you have to show me your passport. I'm going to give you 5 seconds for that.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna uncuff you.
Lagging with this.
Yeah, please remove your mask and show me your passport in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'm gone. Okay.
I'm lagging, bro. 1 second. I'm sure.
Okay, I'm gonna cuff you back.
Okay.
Yeah, hostage situation is 1099.
Hey, just don't move, please. Don't move.
Same how copy.
Okay, sorry.
Same how copy. Same Bahadur how copy. Same Bahadur how copy.
Okay, I'm gonna issue a fine for you. Hey, come here. Don't move. I'm gonna search you for any illegal items from your back pocket.
Plant the barricade on the DOC, just remove it.
Okay, I'm gonna confiscate this assault rifle, 100 pieces ammo.
What?
Okay, I have confiscated your illegal item. Like ammos. Okay, I'm gonna issue a fine. For you.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Yeah, I'm gonna copy. Yeah. I'm gonna check your pocket for information. Yeah. I'm gonna copy.
Show my last 1015 is 1099 now. Show me 1019 with 0 additional, 0 converse.
Are you okay, officer?
Just wait. Don't move. Don't move. Okay, let me add you into the wanted list. I said don't move. Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna put your jump shooting a bit. I am taking initially one in video. I am taking your cell phone in radio. Never idea. I'm gonna arrest you.
Let me take his radio and Sultan. Because I'm getting a personal permission from my pocket now.
Okay, I'm gonna try to take off your radio and mobile phone.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna try it again.
Oh, my bad, my bad.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm gonna arrest you now.
Huh?
Yeah, there you go.
Sorry, brother. Sorry.
Move back. Move back right now.
Yeah. I just clicked.